I don't know how women do this. And I guess emos. Like the second I have anything near my eyeballs, it's like, ah! I don't know if this is supposed to go on the eyelid or on like the rim, you know? Ladies, let me know in the comments. I've seen women do their makeup before, just go like, I listened to a lot of emo music in high school, but I never got to the point where I wore eyeliner. Ew, look at this, man. This looks horrible. I should actually explain to you guys why I'm doing this. A skit that involved emo, like an emo. So I bought all this emo stuff off of Amazon. But I figured I should test out the eyeliner first to see if I can actually do it. I'll probably never do this again, unless I take up magic full time. I think I nailed it. Let's go full emo.
I waited till 11 just to figure out that no one would call. I think I've got a lot of friends, but I don't hear from them. What's another night all alone when you're spending every day on your own? And here it goes. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid, I know that it's not fair.
What's up, everybody? Today's DIY. It is so freaking cool, and yes, it's been done before multiple times, but I'm gonna do it better. This is another TikTok DIY. So many of you guys have sent me this saying, Dan, try it, do something cool with it. Today, what we're making is spin art. I've been wanting to do it. It's can't do it at home. I can't do it inside. It's incredibly messy. So if you guys are gonna do this, make sure you do it outside. If you see any DIYs on TikTok, just wherever that you want me to try, DM me on Instagram or even on Twitter. We're gonna head to Michael's, get all the materials. Let's go to Michael's. Car vlog time. I am doing this DIY a little bit later in the day, so expect a day 2 to this. I tried wiping this stuff off. Eyeliner actually seeped into the cracks of my eyes, and now it actually is where it should be. The materials you need for this thing are pretty much just a canvas, and you could use cheap paint for this. You'll need a drill, maybe duct tape, probably need a piece of wood. Okay, so maybe there is good a bit of stuff. My singleness levels today are a little bit higher than normal. Dating in 2020. You are so damn disposable. I hate it. I can't stand it. It's like this game of who could care less with each other. If you piss them off in the slightest way, I'll just go talk to someone else. If your opening line isn't good, I'll just go talk to someone else. We're gonna do a quick detour. Depending on how long you've watched my YouTube videos for, my cousin Jeremy, he's like right here. You know what? We're gonna talk to Jeremy about dating right now. We're gonna take this rant to real life, baby. And he's sort of my single buddy. Jeremy is in the same sort of stage of life as me.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the
Jeremy, what's happening? Just enjoying a little glass of water back here?
Oh yeah.
A little Corona pump. I was on this rant about how people are so damn disposable in the dating world.
Way I look at it and to kind of keep myself away from that type of mentality is that talking to someone in a bar and they're like, yeah, whatever, see you later, and you never see them again. It's no real different, right? If you talk one night and then the other party doesn't text back, oh well, whatever, right?
So you're weathered, eh?
Oh yeah, jaded as hell.
Yeah, you've seen shit, man. What's the biggest issue right now as to what you're having?
I don't have that many pictures of my hobbies and interests and all that, so it's just.
Before I head off to Michael's,
Yeah.
let's get some photos for you.
Sure.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older and we wouldn't have to wait so long? And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong? No one's gonna make it that much better when we can say goodnight and stay together. Wouldn't it be nice if we could wake up and yesterday's blue and have spent the day together, hold each other close the whole night through. Of happy times together we were spending. I wish that every kiss was never ending. But wouldn't it be nice?
All right, that covers Jeremy. Guys, in all seriousness, I went over there, basically give him a glorified shout out in this video. He's a super good guy, really good art. Definitely one of my best friends because we get along so great humor-wise. Someone out there looking for a good dude, Jeremy's your man. But if you're like a thought, don't hit him up, okay? Hit me up instead. Hey. Going to Michael's now. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what you need for this DIY. $5 too much? Oh my god, $17 for 5? Done. Day 2. The reason I'm doing this in 2 days is because I started halfway through yesterday. Sorry, saying you will, you're gonna need at least, holy, man, I never realized it said so much. Hold on. You're gonna need at least, yo, this is f***ing rude. Most of my DIYs, I try to do them inside my house. This DIY, man, it's so messy. There's a park nearby, should be relatively quiet. Do the art spins there. Let's roll.
Every day we live, oh yeah. Live it up, live it to the fullest, oh yeah. Travel all around and hit every single club. Everywhere we go, everybody show us love, yeah. Every day turned up, oh yeah. Check on the accounts and we always ballin'. Oh, yeah, we always ballin'. We don't believe in love, so we never fallin'. Every day we live with a smile. We might go to New York, it's been a while. We might fly to LA, oh wow. Airlines and we racking up the miles. Yeah, every day we ball, that's for sure. Get lit, cause it's all that we know. Turn up is all that we wanna do. Ride in the sunset, bout to catch a new check, yeah. Always looking for a good time. A little drink, might get a little wine. Every day we lit, oh yeah.
We found the spot. Let me take you through what we got here. So I got a 5-piece canvas set. This was under 20 bucks, so we can do 5 different attempts. Get your paints. You guys saw me get these. Just a bunch of different colors. We're using acrylic. Got some metallics in there. I also picked up some of these wooden poles, okay? These are to go on the back of the canvas like this. We're gonna screw it in and then attach the drill into the center, and that's gonna help spin the canvas. We got our drill. This is like a super powerful ass drill. Being at a park, there's no outlets, so we have also a portable power supply. Let's give it a go. Step 1, screw these wooden pieces to this canvas and go from there. I feel like I'm gonna murder a Dracula. One thing we're safe by having these wooden stakes around. Okay. You wanna find the center. We're gonna go like right there. Power through, baby. That's on there. That's exactly what we need. We need to put a screw in the middle. Oh. Okay, I went right through the canvas. This is I apologize for all that unprofessionalism. We've actually nailed it. The longest screw in there, put it all the way in, and now, oh my God, this is gonna work. Look at it. Now let's see if it actually holds up with paint. You take your paints, put a bunch of color all over your canvas like this, okay? We'll add a little bit of silver. This is just to show you guys what it'll look like. Put some silver paint. I'm getting absolutely covered in paint. Oh shoot! Whoa, oh, ow! I think what we have to do now is we have to add in a lot more paint. I feel like a talk show host. Welcome to The Price is Right. Do a whole lot of blue on this side. And some black, thick, 2 C's. Okay, we used too much red. That was a success, 100%. We need to go way lighter on the red though. Kind of cool, but kind of garbage. You know what I mean? Like the center, I don't know why the center doesn't get the full rotation. This looks awesome. Let's add more paint. Maybe that's the trick. Oh, we gotta, kinda. Damn, this is actually more technical than I thought. New plan. Just to switch this up a bit, I think what we're gonna do is I'll spin a blank canvas and Kyle is actually gonna squirt paint as it's spinning just to see what that kind of does. Works better than all of them. Look at the webbing up here. That is sick. Okay, for this last one, just to switch it up a bit, let's do it like right here. So it's gonna spin like lopsided. It's not gonna be balanced. Whoa. Okay, that's kind of cool. Okay, piece number one, check this out. We didn't use enough paint, clearly. Number two, the total opposite problem, we used too much paint. The red in the center, and the red actually kind of dominated most of this piece. This might be the best one. Number three, liquid nickel, I believe I called this. This one might be my favorite. It almost worked. It almost looks amazing. Still, the center. Fourth, we had Kyle throw paint at the spinning canvas. This actually looked really, really cool on the outside. The center is still our problem. And lastly, an absolute disaster. This might be the worst one, okay? When you don't balance your canvas on the back, it's gonna look imbalanced on the front. All in all, was this worth it? No. This cost just over $100 for all these materials. I ruined my shorts. My Vans could look a little cooler, but if you guys are interested in me attempting one of the DIYs that you guys have seen, DM me on Instagram at Danocracy. But now I must clean because we love Mother Nature. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'll be back next Wednesday or Thursday or Friday with another DIY. Love y'all. See you in the next one.